Are you still manually copying and pasting data between spreadsheets every single day? It is tedious, prone to errors, and honestly, a massive waste of your time. Today, we're looking at Sheetgo, a tool that claims to solve this exact problem by automating your data workflows and making your spreadsheets AI-ready. But is it actually the best spreadsheet automation tool for you? Let's break down what it does, who it's for, and whether it's worth your time. At its core, Sheetgo is designed to connect, prepare, and automate data across your spreadsheets and other business systems. Instead of dealing with messy, disconnected files, Sheetgo links them together so your data stays updated and ready for business intelligence, AI tools, or daily workflows. The platform is broken down into three main products. First, you have Sheetgo Automations. This is built for analysts, operations coordinators, and spreadsheet power users. It lets you connect your Google Workspace documents, sync data, merge reports, and schedule automatic updates without needing to write complex code or build fragile systems. Next up is Sheetgo Workflows. This is geared toward department managers and finance teams who need to standardize repeatable processes. With Workflows, you can design structured systems that consolidate data, manage approvals, and automatically generate documents to keep your team aligned. Finally, for larger organizations, there's Sheetgo Dataspace. This is specifically designed for regulated industries and EU companies that need strict data governance. It features role-based access control, data anonymization, and full traceability to ensure compliance with strict EU data space requirements. Plus, the whole platform is SOC 2, GDPR, and CASA Tier 3 compliant, which is a major plus if you handle sensitive information. Now, to keep this review completely honest, we don't have a configured list of external user reviews or specific user complaints to share with you today. However, Sheetgo does claim a massive user base of over 5 million users, ranging from small teams to large enterprises. If you are a spreadsheet power user, a finance analyst, or a team leader drowning in manual data entry, Sheetgo's ability to seamlessly link Google Sheets, Docs, and Gmail is definitely worth exploring. You can actually start using it for free to see if it fits your workflow. What do you think? Would you trust an automated system to handle your spreadsheets, or do you prefer doing it manually? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit sheetgo.com to try it out for yourself. See you in the next video.